Have a look inside yourself. Symptoms of PTSD. Hello enlightenment enthusiast, welcome back to Have a Look Inside. Hit the road with us, flash your thumb with a like, and subscribe to ride along on our next adventure. Post-traumatic stress disorder, PTSD. This video explains what post-traumatic stress disorder, PTSD, is, including possible causes and how you can access treatment and support. Includes tips for helping yourself and guidance for friends and family. Common symptoms of PTSD. These are some common signs and symptoms that you might recognize. Everyone's experience is different, so you may experience some, none or all of these things. Reliving aspects of what happened. This can include vivid flashbacks, feeling like the trauma is happening right now. Intrusive thoughts or images. Nightmares. Intense distress at real or symbolic reminders of the trauma. Physical sensations such as pain, sweating, nausea or trembling. Alertness or feeling on edge. This can include panicking when reminded of the trauma, being easily upset or angry, extreme alertness, also sometimes called hypervigilance, disturbed sleep or a lack of sleep, irritability or aggressive behavior, finding it hard to concentrate, including on simple or everyday tasks, being jumpy or easily startled. Other symptoms of anxiety. Your heart may be constantly racing and you might felt permanently dizzy. Some people can't leave the house and become afraid of going to sleep, as they are convinced that they are going to die. Avoiding feelings or memories. This can include feeling like you have to keep busy, avoiding anything that reminds you of the trauma, being unable to remember details of what happened, feeling emotionally numb or cut off from your feelings, feeling physically numb or detached from your body, being unable to express affection, doing things that could be self-destructive or reckless, using alcohol or drugs to avoid memories, difficult beliefs or feelings. This can include feeling like you can't trust anyone, feeling like nowhere is safe, feeling like nobody understands, blaming yourself for what happened, overwhelming feelings of anger, sadness, guilt or shame. The lack of sleep and the sense of never being at peace are exhausting. Why does PTSD have physical effects? This could be because when we feel stressed emotionally, our bodies release hormones called cortisol and adrenaline. This is the body's automatic way of preparing to respond to a threat, sometimes called the fight, flight or freeze response. Studies have shown that someone with PTSD will continue producing these hormones when they're no longer in danger, which is thought to explain some symptoms such as extreme alertness and being easily startled. Some people also experience physical symptoms similar to symptoms of anxiety, such as headaches, dizziness, chest pains, and stomach aches. I thought I was coping quite well to start with. Then a few weeks after the event, I began experiencing unpleasant physical symptoms, similar to those of a heart attack, chest pain, tightness and dizzy spells so severe that I thought I would pass out. Says a complex PTSD victim. What are flashbacks? A flashback is a vivid experience in which you relive some aspects of a traumatic event or feel as if it is happening right now. This can sometimes be like watching a video of what happened, but flashbacks do not necessarily involve seeing images or reliving events from start to finish. You might experience any of the following: seeing full or partial images of what happened, noticing sounds, smells or tastes connected to the trauma, feeling physical sensations, such as pain or pressure, experiencing emotions that you felt during the trauma. You might notice that particular places, people or situations can trigger a flashback for you, which could be due to them reminding you of the trauma in some way. Or you might find that flashbacks seem to happen at random. Flashbacks can last for just a few seconds, or continue for several hours or even days. Other effects of PTSD. If you are experiencing symptoms of PTSD, you might also find that you have difficulty with some everyday aspects of your life, such as looking after yourself, holding down a job, maintaining friendships or relationships, remembering things and making decisions, your sex drive, coping with change, simply enjoying your leisure time on a bright sunny day. Well, that's all, folks. So what do you think? Please leave your comments below. Thank you for watching. Have a look inside. Until next time, happy living. Visit megdigital.com.